Okay, so today I'm really excited because for my week 4 science experiment, I'm going to be making strawberry ice cream. And we're going to be doing it in our Breville ice cream maker, like so. And so the first step is we are going to melt our sugar. So we're going to put 1/4 cup. It's on a medium heat, and we're gonna put 1/4 cup of water in there. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of sugar, white sugar. We're gonna stir that. And while that's cooking down, because we don't want it grainy, while that's cooking down, we're going to come over here to our Vitamix, and we're going to put 1 cup of water. So we have 1 cup of water here with 1 heaping cup of soaked cashews. And then we're gonna blend it for 2 minutes. Gotta turn it on first. Okay, so this is our cashew milk, and it has blended, so it's nice and smooth now. It's hot, actually. And now we're gonna put it in here, along with our coconut milk. So we're gonna see if this is something on there. There we go. I think it's good. I think it's good. Because you want it you don't want any bits of sugar. And now we're gonna put 2, so this is half a teaspoon, so 2 of these in here. We're going to put our coconut fat. Now we're gonna put in, how much was this? This was 2 1/3 cups. And this is cocoa butter. So it's like white chocolate, but unsweetened. And we're gonna put that in there. And then we're going to take our vanilla, and we're going to just put like a capful up there. And we're gonna mix it a little bit. And then I'm pretty sure we wait for this to melt. That's looking good. So everything's melted. And now we're going to put this in with our milk mixture. That's cool. There we are. Now we're gonna mix. So this is nice and creamy. So it's all binding together. Okay, so that's mixed. See how it's all kind of one color now. And now we're going to put it in the fridge for an hour. Okay, so now we're going to make our strawberry sauce because it's strawberry ice cream, it's strawberry sauce. And we have around 2 cups of strawberries here. We're gonna put that in our pan. The reason we want it to simmer down here is because we don't want any excess moisture in our ice cream. We want it as thick as possible because we want it ice cream texture. And then here we have half a cup of white sugar. I'm gonna put that in there. And then I'm gonna put like a capful of vanilla. And I'm gonna stir it, and it smells amazing. And we're gonna let that simmer so it's a sauce consistency. So this is our strawberry sauce, what it looks like. It has reduced down quite a lot, but there's still some chunks because we want some texture. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn off the heat first. We're gonna put it on here so and then put it in the fridge so it cools down so it's not, boiling hot. Okay, so here is what our ice cream looks like at the moment. It's been chilling in the fridge. And now here is our ice cream maker. And as you can see, it's on like the soft ice cream setting. I know it says harder, but it says ice cream too. So it's on the softer end. And then we're going to take, oh no, let's hope I can. Take it. Get all of that. And then we're going to put the lid back on. And it's going to like freeze and make ice cream. So I don't really need to research like science behind this. It's just, I know like it starts with this liquidy liquid and turns into like a denser mass, like not a full-on solid, but a denser mass. And that by itself is a reaction. Yeah, we'll wait for that to be done. So it's done cooling, and now it says to add our mix-ins, and obviously our mix-ins is strawberry because we're making strawberry ice cream. And the thing is, I don't want to, that's what it looks like, it's beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time because I don't want to make it runny. So I'm gonna do it a little bit at a time and just slowly. Go like this. Because we opened it and those are warmer than this was, it's gone back to cooling because it got warmer, and so it might take a little more time to cool again, but that's okay. We'll just wait for it to become a mass again. The song is playing, and I think that means it's done. It's a pretty good guess it's done. And you can go ahead and try it. You good? Oh, it is. It's super good. You can taste the white chocolate, or the cacao butter, and cocoa butter. Anyway, and the strawberries, and it's like it's the consistency of ice cream, which is really cool because it has no dairy in it. And I think that wraps up our week 4 science experiment on strawberry ice cream.